Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to learn about the digestive system. You know that the digestive system is a long tube, and it is the main part of our body and also very important part of our body. Today in this chapter we're going to learn about mouth, the teeth, the tongue, the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine and the large intestine, and another part called anus. So, you think that this digestive system is like a long cave. The starting of this cave is your mouth. Oh, yeah, the mouth. The mouth contains three parts: the the tooth, the tongue. Yeah, teeth. Teeth is a very important part of our body. I told you that digestive system is a very important, and in that teeth is also important. Imagine without teeth. Can you pronounce a word? I'll tell you a word. Okay, take the word teeth. Now pronounce it. Now just look at the word when you pronounce. See, the tongue touches your teeth. At the last, you tell teeth. The. That means the tongue touches your teeth when you are pronouncing teeth. The. So, what did I mean is, teeth is used for pronouncing also, and even for chewing the food. You think that food goes directly into the into the digestive system? No. It will take a little bit help of the teeth. What little bit? It will take all the help of teeth, because the teeth will break the food and make easier to go inside the digestive system, because digestive system to go inside the food should go inside easily. Okay, so we have finished the topic teeth. Now let's move on to the tongue. Now we had a journey till the teeth. Now let's move on to the tongue. Tongue is an amazing part. You would be interested to learn about the tongue. Do you know that the tongue is the strongest muscle of our body? Yeah, in this picture you can see the tongue. And another amazing news is that the different parts of the tongue tastes different types of tastes. Yeah, in this picture you can see that the tongue will taste different parts of the types in different tastes. Okay, I think you have enjoyed learning about the tongue, and we have completed our journey till the tongue. Now let's move on to the another amazing part called esophagus. Esophagus is a little bit medium-sized tube, and it will be somewhat like watery, because the food has to travel very easily from the esophagus. That's why the esophagus will remain watery. Okay, it was good to learn about esophagus. Now we have completed our journey till the esophagus. Now let's move on to the stomach, another amazing part of our body. Stomach is a very important of our body. I told you that every part is very important, no matter, but stomach is the important part, the very important part of this digestive system, the only important part of this digestive system. I didn't mean that every part is very important, but stomach is really very important, that it churns the food. After traveling into the stomach, it's very difficult to go into the small intestine because it will be wobbly, somewhat like curved. So the food can't pass very easily into the small intestine. So it should be little bit churned with the help of stomach. The stomach churns the food with the help of acids. Acids means not those acids, but the stomach has a special juice called chyme. The stomach churns the food and with the help of chyme. After churning the food, the stomach will transfer it to the small intestine. Wait. Before that, the pancreas and liver, but we'll learn about pancreas and liver very soon, but not in this class, in this chapter. Okay, where were we? In the small intestine. Yeah, till now we had a long it's not a long journey, but we have still got a bit more long journey. After churning the food, I told you that stomach will transfer it into the small intestine. Now the food is like a liquid type. Here in small intestine, there will be a miracle. When it goes inside the small intestine, the small intestine has some blood vessels which take the very important like proteins, vitamin, minerals, important for rich in proteins, nutrients. It will take them for the use of body, and remaining waste it will throw it off. The waste then just goes into the large intestine. Here we would have a very long journey because large intestine is really very large. That's why we call it as large intestine. I think so. So when we go to the large intestine, you here can see that large intestine purifies, not purifying, it will throw the waste. Okay, after the large intestine, slowly it goes to the anus. Here the waste is coming out in a urine type, but I don't want to talk about anus, but it's the only part very important. Here in digestive system, some parts are very important. In that, anus is also very important. Without anus, the waste will not come out. Then we get sick. So our journey ends here. You know how long it took to come out of journey? 40 hours. Yeah, you're right. The time taken by the food to digest is 40 hours. Because the churned food remains for 3 to 4 hours in the stomach, and 37 hours it takes to complete the journey near the small intestine and the large intestine. So totally it will take 40 hours. So thank you for joining me with this journey. Thank you. Goodbye.